Does this count as annoying?
Yeah, I got one. It's so fluffy.
It's so fluffy. I'm gonna die.
It's so fluffy.
My caterpillar never turned into a butterfly. That's a Cheeto. Oh. Give kissy.
Here. Kissy, kissy.
Are you excited to decoy Chimbo?
Yeah.
What kind
See
of
some hot girls.
You're stupid. No, don't listen to him. We're going to watch birds, okay? You're so
Don't
weird.
listen to her.
So we'll see you again once the birds are out. So I just woke up from a really long nap. So we made it here alive, and there's birds everywhere. Everywhere.
Yeah. Let's go see it.
There's a bird right there. There's a bird right there.
I'm a bird.
There's a little annoying one right there. And a bunch of dirt.
There's nothing around here.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom. That's my mommy right there. Hi, Mom. Mommy! I don't see any birds anywhere. There's this bridge right here, though. It's really cool. I don't see any birds. There's birds like, see, there's that white little dot in the middle. One bird. I don't even think that's a bird. Is that a bird over there, that white thing?
Yeah, it's a bird.
Is it a bird, Vo?
Yes, it is a bird right there in the white. Swimming.
Somewhere.
Or ducks.
Look at this professional cameraman. He's like paparazzi. Everywhere I go, he has to follow me.
Please.
See, he's so awkward. So awkward.
Okay.
Shut up. Hi, baby thumb.
Go. Chị, go.
Hi. There.
Ông muốn ngồi trong đó chụp hình kìa.
Cười kìa.
Hold this stand for me real quick. Let me switch my legs out.
Rồi đi Tam đi con. Go. Go. Go.
Don't run so funny.
He wants to climb this thing. Look at him. No, baby, you're gonna fall. Choo choo train. There. There we are. Look how tan my brother got. He was in the thing for like an hour.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. We're now migrating to the east where the other flock of birds are supposed to be. There are birds in the water. Right there. That's not a turkey. There's no turkeys out right now, you loser. It's hot. I want to jump in that water and swim. Well, let's go skinny dip.
No, I don't want to.
You don't even know what that means, Anne.
I know it.
What does that mean?
Everything.
At last. Birds. Little birdies everywhere. That's actually a lot of them. There's a bald eagle somewhere in that tree. They're mating. Do you hear the sound of nature calling? They're watching birds all day. They're really tired. Hi, Mommy. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. And hi, YouTube. That's my mom. That's where I get it from. See all that white? That's all birds.
Let's go.
Okay, cool. That was an experience.